Welcome to English Speaking Boost. In this video, we'll practice 30 simple, everyday questions and answers to improve your English speaking skills. Let's get started.
1. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How about you? 2. What is your name? My name is Vishal. 3. Where are you from? I'm from Mumbai. 4. What do you do? I work as a teacher. 5. How was your day? It was great, thanks for asking. 6. Do you like your job? Yes, I love my job. 7. What time is it? It's 3 p.m. 8. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. 9. Can you help me with this? Sure, I can help you with that. 10. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are reading and painting. 11. How do you spend your weekends? I usually spend my weekends with family or friends. 12. Are you free this evening? Yes, I'm free this evening. 13. Do you need anything from the store? No, I don't need anything. Thank you. 14. How is the weather today? The weather is really nice today. 15. When is your birthday? My birthday is on the 5th of May. 16. Do you want to grab a coffee? Yes, let's go grab a coffee. 17. How do you feel about this movie? I think the movie was amazing. 18. What did you eat for breakfast? I had toast and eggs for breakfast. 19. Can you please pass the salt? Sure, take it. 20. What time does the train arrive? The train arrives at 6 p.m. 21. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. 22. Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I've been to the US once. 23. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. 24. Are you coming to the party tomorrow? Yes, I'm definitely coming to the party. 25. Can you tell me the way to the nearest bank? The nearest bank is just 2 blocks away. 26. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. 27. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. 28. Have you watched any good shows recently? Yes, I watched a great series on Netflix last week. 29. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. 30. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. I've been to many places.